G'day, I'm Sean from Rain Harvesting. In this video we'll look at the maintenance of our full range of Mozzie Stoppas. All of our Mozzie Stoppas include a mesh, and this prevents mosquitoes from entering the tank through the overflow. But it's this mesh which over time may accumulate small particles of debris which may have wriggled their way through your tank screen, or even a biofilm which builds up on the mesh as the tank overflows. So we'll have a look at all of them. First we'll have a look at the Mozzie Stoppa original. So we have one mounted into this tank here. The Mozzie Stoppas are a push fit into place into the overflow, which means to access that mesh for cleaning it, we simply need to remove our overflow pipe and then remove that Mozzie Stoppa from the overflow fitting. We'll just rest that overflow pipe in there while we go and give this a clean. As you can see, this Mozzie Stoppa has some debris built up in the mesh there, so it will need to be cleaned. Okay, so to give this a clean, we'll just give this a good tap on the ground, get rid of most of that debris. And for any little bits that are left, just give that a backwash through the back of the screen with a hose. Make sure it's nice and clean, and we'll go and put that back on the tank. Okay, with that Mozzie Stoppa nice and clean, we can put that back into place, and it's just the reverse process. I just had that overflow pipe resting in place there, so we can push that either into the fitting or onto the overflow pipe, and then back into place. And that one's done. To maintain the Mozzie Stoppa Easy Clean, it's glued into place. So all we need to do to access that mesh for cleaning or for checking it is to release this clip on the side, flip that all the way out so we can see all of the mesh, and as you can see here there's a debris buildup, so we'll give that a clean off. So we can do that by backwashing the mesh there, and then once it's nice and clean, push it back over and make sure that click is fully engaged, and then that's ready to go. So now we'll look at cleaning the mesh in our Mozzie Stoppa Advanced. The Mozzie Stoppa Advanced is the most convenient and easy to clean of the range. All we need to do here is simply withdraw the removable mesh cartridge. We'll just lift that up, and we can see here some debris on the screen, so we can take that away to clean it, and then we'll come back and put it back into place. So to give this one a clean, again, we'll give that a good tap on the ground to get that debris off, and a bit of a rinse off with the hose. Again, it's nice and clean, and we'll go and put that back into place. Okay, so after cleaning that screen, we can put it back into place. There's no right and wrong way, it can go in either way. But note there are two tabs either side of the handle, and just make sure both of those are engaged once you push it in. So it'll take a little bit of push, there's some resistance from the O-ring seal, and then that's back in place, ready to do its job. So now with the Mozzie Stoppa Advanced Max Flow, this particular unit we have shown in the vertical orientation. Both the Advanced and the Max Flow are suitable for that orientation. It's the same procedure. We simply just pull out the removable mesh cartridge, inspect it for debris, and here we have a fair bit of build-up. So we'll take that away, give it a clean, and we'll come back and put it into place. And to give it a clean, we'll get most debris off by just giving that a good tap on the ground. And for the smaller stuff, give that a good rinse with the hose so it's nice and clean, and we'll go and put that back on the tank. Okay, once the screen's nice and clean, we can put that back in place. Just like with the Mozzie Stoppa Advanced, there's no right and wrong way, that can go back in either way. And just remember the two side snaps, that they fully engage when you put it in. Give it a push, and then that's back in place. So that's how to maintain our range of Mozzie Stoppas. If you'd like more information on these products or any of our other rain harvesting products, please jump onto our website.